Hey there, it's not often I make a trailer for upcoming videos, but since I've been behind the ball lately, we're all kind of just waiting on bated breath to see what GoPro is going to announce. I decided I'd make a trailer for my next video. And my next video is going to be about this. This is the DigiPower Refuel external battery for the GoPro Hero 9, 10, 11, 12 and 13. Yep, even though the GoPro Hero 13 takes a different size battery, this battery pack is still compatible with it. Now, this is an extended battery pack and it will allow you to film between 5 to 9 hours continuously with your GoPro camera, depending on what settings you use. And that's what my next video is going to be all about. In my next video, I'll be demonstrating what settings that I use with this and my GoPro Hero 13 camera, although the settings do apply to all the other models. For an extended runtime of, well, the settings I use, I get between about 5 to 7 hours out of this. You can get 9 hours if you shot in 1080p, which I don't do. I usually shoot for about, 4K to 5.3K. Anyway, the next video will all be about setting up this and your camera so you get continuous long shooting times with absolutely zero overheating in 5.3K 30 frames per second. So hey, hope you look forward to that.